Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today we are going to do a beauty room tour, the setup, my filming setup, my makeup setup, my drawers, all of that. It's definitely not where I want it to be, but since I got the new Alex drawers, I had to rearrange things, and we're moving soon, so I didn't feel like doing a full redo of the room, but this is what we have for right now. Okay, let's start over here. This is my desk. This is where I pretty much do everything. I've been working with different lighting for a while, and I found out that the softboxes actually work well. I use this, but on a very low setting. I did have the room rearranged in a different way, so the stuff on the wall actually fits for the way the room was rearranged in the very beginning. The kids made that for me. I think I got that at Burlington, and then this I actually got off Facebook Market when I first started designing the room. And those are actually Dollar Tree flowers, and I got these little string things from Walmart in the wedding section, but I can't find them anymore. I keep all my brushes here. This is a tray. It came with two other trays from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I have a few of these. All my brushes. I've got a mirror here. This is the screen that I look at. So if you see me looking to the side while I'm filming, it's because I'm looking at this screen. And then I got this mirror at Five Below. Don't mind my shorts there. It was really cheap, like $5 or $10. I don't know. I didn't put batteries in it, but it does light up, and it's perfect because in front of the camera, I'll flip it so it doesn't blind you, but in front of the camera, you can't see the mirror when I'm trying to use it, so I like that. And then this just holds some random stuff. This, I'm going to do a skincare video, but I will link these. So it's a mister. It's a mister. I got it on Amazon. This has beauty water in it, and then this is actually a toner. So it's a good way to save your product and not waste, because the cotton rounds will take up most of your product. Anyway, we have this mirror here my husband got for me from Vanity Impressions. And then in my drawer, I didn't clean any of my drawers out. I just have a few different products. So basically highlighters up here, blushes down here. This I just wanted to do. I want to do a video on this. That should actually be in there. And then some random loosies that I just have. And then mascaras that I don't really wear anyway. In here we have foundations. I just love this Patrick Ta palette. My Hen Dash, I will link that video. But y'all, this palette is one of the, let me open it, one of the coolest palettes ever. You can do so much with this palette. It's amazing. So then we have, anyway, foundations. We have primers and setting powders, highlighters. But I like to use darker concealers as bronzers. So I have some different ones back there. Charlotte Tilbury is one of my favorites. I love, love, love this from Uma. This is what that stick looks like, and it's just so, so pretty. Also the Kosas back there. I did a bronzer video. I'll link that too. And then here we just have some random stuff. This, I don't know why it should be over here. Eyebrow stuff and mascara in here. And then y'all know I love to use a black eyeshadow as a liner, so that's in there also. Under my desk, I have a little trash can. The kids left a computer last night. This is some stuff that I put to the side for my skincare video that I want to do. And then just some extra trays and boxes and stuff in case I need them. My mom left that umbrella. And then here, I got this at Walmart, never used it yet. This bag is just full of like packaging stuff. And then these paintings I actually had on the wall. I don't know if y'all remember. They were on the wall, I think right over there, but the kids had made them. We have Coco seat. I just moved it out of the way when I was cleaning up yesterday. My mom bought those for my son, so that they're just there right now. Here's another one of my trays. Then up here we have a few perfumes and lotions. Y'all know Bath & Body Works was having a sale, so I actually just picked those ones up. Okay, and then I have to tell y'all about this one. This is a Kim Kardashian crystal perfume, but if you like gardenias, this literally smells exactly like gardenias, which is one of my favorite flowers. And then we have bronzers in here. This is one of my favorites. It's Bobbi Brown blah, blah, blah. That's a mouthful. It's a Bobbi Brown bronzer. It has some gold flakes to it. It's gorgeous. It's in the shade Bali, but it's beautiful. This one I was really obsessed with for a long time. I loved this, and it was so easy to work with. And then we have some different sprays. This is all full of face palettes. I recently did a face palette video. I love looking at all of my stuff, I'm not gonna lie. Here we have the two face palettes and some setting powders, but I have enough setting powders, so I'm not buying any more. We have primers. I don't honestly use any of these. I just use the ones that I have in my desk. This palette is just randomly here just because she's beautiful. I'll show you. I got this at TJ Maxx. I think it was 20. I think it was 20 bucks. Where's the price? $25 for this Sigma palette, but she is absolutely beautiful. Look at those shades. She's gorgeous. She's pretty. Over here, we just have some random stuff I don't use. It's just there. I got these. Y'all know IKEA was sold out of everything pretty much for like the whole pandemic. So when I got the chance to get these, I grabbed 2 of them, even though I didn't need 2. So I have lipsticks here, and this goes with this. So that container actually comes with 2 of these, which more so I really just want these containers. And then this is just, I guess it's just a bonus, but it's $10 for all of them. So we have lip glosses here, some pencils, and then more lipsticks in here, different, it's all organized by the shade. And then we have lip balms, and then more lipsticks, reds, pinks in here. And y'all, let me tell you, these are my favorite lip balms ever. The color payoff is so amazing with these. You can often find them on sale at Sephora, and sometimes if you buy like a few, they'll give you a free gift, like you can pick a soap or something from Fresh. Nothing in here. I think I was going to go through and organize my lipsticks a little better. These are both new that I got from Pat McGrath. I have not even used them yet. Oh, and here we have blushes. I did a declutter, y'all. So proud, but it's made me very anxious because I got rid of a lot more than I expected. And then we have another drawer of blushes here. I don't know where this NARS blush is, but we need to fill that in because that's not cool. But we have a bunch of different little blushes in here. I think I probably could have decluttered that one because I don't use that. Oh, y'all, look at this. I have to show you this palette though. It's a Smashbox blush palette. Just freaking gorgeous. Let's swatch some of these. We've got the coral. This highlighter I've used a few times. Let's go with this one too. Look at those shades though. So beautiful. I mean, it's just a pretty palette. I do not use it anywhere near as much as I should because that one is absolutely gorgeous. I can't. Okay, so this is actually a drawer with some stuff from Swarovski Crystal. I was going to do a little review on it. They had a sale. I love Swarovski Crystal, so that's what that is. And then this is my giveaway drawer, or if somebody buys something from me from Poshmark, I will come to this drawer and I'll pick something. If they spend like a lot of money, I'll pick like something like a palette, but if they don't, then I'll do something just like an eyeshadow or a face mask. And then down here was stuff for my niece, but she just left, so I just have brushes and random stuff in here. Okay, in here we have a bunch of foundations. I probably could have decluttered all of these because if it's not in the drawer, then I don't use it. But this is what I have left, and this one is actually pretty much empty. Like I said, I got it just because they're always sold out, and who knows when we move if I'll be able to find it. Okay, and then the last drawer has some stuff in it. So this is the TJ Maxx drawer that I really need to do my TJ Maxx haul because I'm so behind. Oh, I think I got these samples when I bought the lip balms, and I got a free soap. I picked the soap, but we have some different stuff in here that I need to do a video on. Okay, let's work our way over here before they destroy this area. This started out as Tita's desk, came from IKEA, and somehow the girls took over, but they've got their makeup, they've got some brushes, they've got their palettes and everything. And then over here in this corner, I just have some stuff hidden. Also, y'all, these are so cute. I got them from the Dollar Tree for $1 each, but they were like supposed to be garden gnome type of things, but it just fit the pink room. And then this I actually made for the girl's first birthday photo shoot type of thing. Okay, here we have some mirrors, and then this one I actually bought at Michael's for like $50. Would not recommend it. It's super cheap. I did lay some, what is this, vinyl or peel and stick marble on top of it, but it's still just really cheap. But in here, I keep all of this stuff that I'm going to sell on Poshmark so it doesn't get mixed up with my regular makeup or used or swatched or anything. Like I said, I will link my Poshmark below. But if you look at this, it's just so cheaply made. It's just not good. This dresser I got from IKEA, I did put the peel and stick on top of it. And then before I finished putting it together, I used a gold glitter spray paint in there so it would kind of go with the room a little more. My sister sent me this book here, and then the candle I got, it was cheap, $7.99. I got it from, I think, was it Marshall's? Yeah, smells so good. This was what they sent me when I got monetized so that I could set up my account for Google and YouTube and all of that. And I framed it because I'm proud of all of my achievements. And then this I got in Vegas. My mom saw it when she was just here and she was like, I don't say that. And I laughed, but I thought that was funny, so I had to grab it. And then in here we have all of the highlighters and then a random palette that needs to be put up, but my mom had an air mattress and it was in the way, so that did not get put up yet. Here is the random drawer with the random stuff. I need to figure my life out. But since we're moving, I'm just kind of like, I don't know. This also is one of those random drawers. But like I said, we're moving, so I don't want to put too much effort into organizing and rearranging everything. So in here we have a bunch of palettes. We have all of the Lorac palettes. We've got some Morphe Jaclyn Hill. Manny MUA, I love him. And I love that when he recently did a video on all of his collabs, he brought up the fact that this is not the best quality palette. It's a good quality for the price. And I love that he was just honest about that. We have this Urban Decay Gwen Stefani. And let me tell you, the black eyeshadow in there, right there, literally the darkest eyeshadow I have ever used, like the blackest black I've ever used. I was obsessed. Y'all, I feel like I got this on sale. I don't remember, but the colors was just like, it's so not my thing, but it just screamed to me that I had to get it, so I got it. We've got some Cara back here. This drawer is like so full. We've got another Cara back there. And then we've got a few MAC. And I think these are all just Morphe. There's a Morphe palette back there. I honestly thought I had more Morphe palettes than just one, but I must have given them away. And then this drawer was actually really nice and organized. I just had like smaller palettes in here. That's where this is supposed to go with these other little Too Faced palettes. But somehow it kind of got overrun with stuff. I literally just had like my little mini type of palettes were in here. It was organized and like super, super pretty in here. What is this? I feel like I gave this to the girls. I know I gave them something. Oh yeah, I'm probably not going to use this. I can give this to them. Here you go, yeah. Wow. What else? These are all just Lucy's in here, and we've got some of those Kaja Bentos back there. Like I said, I really need to reorganize, but at the same time, it's like we're leaving, so I don't want to. Y'all, I still do. I love Graveyard Girl. Bunny. It's Bunny. So we'll just load all this stuff back in there for now. Okay, so these are just Christmas decorations that we left up, but look how pretty that is. That's beautiful. That my husband got me, and it just was really sweet, and I kept it. Somebody knew who I was while we were out, and I was just like, what? And he was so proud, and I was so proud too. This is just a cute collection, so I thought, let's display it. This came from IKEA. The shelves actually came from IKEA. Pretty much everything is IKEA. But this came from IKEA, and I just put Christmas decorations in there. We've got some lipsticks here, MAC and Milani. If you didn't know, that was Cora's. It's actually a cat collar, and then my phone number is on the other side. She actually never got big enough to wear it. I feel like we need to bring more awareness to distemper. This was hers also, and that's kind of what she looked like. But we bought her, and she actually had distemper because the owners took her and all of her brothers and sisters to Mexico to get their shots. That was hers, and that's also her bowl. So she wasn't the only one who had to be put down. It's a sad situation. So let's bring some awareness to distemper and like puppy meal type of things where people are just trying to hurry up and get the money, because that leaves people like me and the kids devastated and sad, because honestly with Cora, I just felt like there was something that I needed that I didn't even know I needed until I had her. She brought me a happiness I didn't even know I was missing out on. So I'm gonna, one day in my life, I am going to find a way to like bring more awareness to this, because we weren't the only family that was affected by it, and that's what's sad also. Kids are being so loud. Let's carry on. Anyway, on a brighter note, these are all of my naked palettes. I believe I have every single one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't love all of them. This one is the newest one. Was not a super fan. This seemed kind of blah to me. This didn't really scream to me. I loved this one. I loved this. I loved most of them, but some of them were not it. That was a wooden C that I just put glitter on, and I painted the edge of it. Another Christmas ornament. We've got some lipsticks displayed here. My husband got me that, but Coco loves flowers, so she thinks it's for her. Some more lipsticks. This is a painting I did when the kids were painting, and then a case. So Yaya's name is Kyla, so that's for her. And then this was for Coco, Chloe, for their first birthdays. Let's swatch this lipstick. I don't even remember what it looks like. Okay, that's what that looks like. She's pretty. It's a creamy one too. Anyway, then we go down here. My sister got me this candle. So freaking funny. Love it. And then I have some of my travel bags and random stuff. Excuse us, Coco. More travel bags. All my Cara palettes. Well, not all of them, but most of them are lined up here. And then we have a bunch of YSL and Too Faced lipsticks because they're gold and they're pretty. We have a Louboutin. This is a $100 lipstick. The packaging is gorgeous. The quality is not that great. And then another Christmas ornament. We looked at this shelf briefly because this was Cora's little dog, and then this was one of her bowls. These are actually my dad's like military pin things, I guess, like for his uniform. But I've saved them. And then another Christmas ornament, super cute, more lipsticks. We have the Lorac palette. I actually bought this when I was like 5 months pregnant. One of the first times I ever went to Ulta. We were here visiting and we were actually in LA, so that was cool. This chandelier is actually another Christmas ornament and I have it taped up there, but I just thought it would look cool, so there's that. And then this thing came from IKEA as usual, and then we have some more makeup on display. And then randomly we have this mirror that my husband got me. It does light up, so it charges, and then you can actually take, well, I can't do it one-handed, but you can take this off the base and it's a handheld mirror. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse into this closet, and don't you dare judge me. Do not judge. Okay, so I had mentioned in one of my Instagram stories how I was a genius for just shoving the Christmas tree in there, but we're moving, so that kind of was not a genius thing to do, but still kind of genius. Now, this is the don't judge me part, y'all. So we have more Christmas decorations up there and more Christmas decorations. We've got Easter stuff. We've got some random baskets, boxes. This is just kind of a disaster of a place, more Christmas decorations. That's why I said, y'all, don't judge me. I'm just showing you the real. We got some breast pumps in there for the mom life. Back there, we have Halloween stuff. You can see a full Christmas tree in there. Like, I'm sorry that I am such a hot ass mess sometimes, y'all. Okay, y'all, like I said, I would have liked to change some things around, taken the things off the walls, moved certain things, made it a little bit more functional, but because we're moving, it just seemed like overkill because we're leaving in like 2 months. So I'm actually gonna have to start packing this stuff up soon anyway. So I was like, I'm gonna make it, oh, she's showing you her palette. I'm gonna make it functional. I'm gonna make it work for the time being. And hopefully when we move, we'll have a bigger space, or I don't know, hopefully we'll have a bigger space than this small bedroom, but either way, we'll make it work either way. Anyway, okay, we have a lot going on. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, heart, and all those good things. Heart, Coco? Yay!